So looking into the end of it, it looks like the square drive that we created with the JB Weld might actually still be there. And what I'm thinking now is that this part is not engaging enough into this part. It's still too far into the outer part of the cable. And I think what I might try is trying to fit some sort of bush or washer behind this here to move this further out. So normally it sits quite a way back, and I think that needs to come a bit further out so it drives into that further in and in the stronger part. So I don't know at the moment how I'm going to do that. Don't know how I'm going to make a bush for that, so I'm going to have to think about that. Well, that's just what it's like with these old cars. You try something and it doesn't work, and then you try again until you get it to work. It's never easy. You'd think with a brand new part that it would be easy, but they're not always correct, and I'm not sure this is. Maybe that was crimped on a bit too high up. But we'll find out. Bring it back.